Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have this beautiful makeup look for you guys. It's really easy to do, so if you want to know how I achieved this makeup look, just keep on watching. Okay, so I first apply my Pond's moisturizer. Now for primer, I'm gonna be using the Professional primer from Benefit, and this makes your skin feel so soft. Now for foundation, I'm gonna be using this one from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's the stick foundation and I'm in the shade Warm Natural. So I'm just gonna be applying it all over my face. Now for concealer, I'm gonna be using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Light Medium. And now I'm gonna blend with the same sponge. Okay, now to set my concealer, I'm gonna be using this loose powder from NYX. Okay, I'm gonna go do my eyebrows and I'll be right back. Okay, so eyebrows are done. Now I'm gonna take this powder off. Okay, so now for eyeshadow, I'm gonna be taking this Sweet Peach palette from Too Faced. This is one of my favorite palettes, and let me show you. So as you can see, black shade, this one and this one, I have hit pan on those because I use them every single day. So that's the palette that we're gonna be using today, and I just want to show you how to create a soft and easy makeup look, because most people don't like to use that many colors. So this is gonna be soft and warm and neutral, and everyone can do this, so just try it. We did work a little bit more on the face because I feel like this is a really important step, so your makeup looks really beautiful throughout the whole day. So yeah, now let's start with the eyeshadow. So the first shade that I'm gonna be taking is this one, Peaches and Cream. So I'm just gonna be applying this all over my lid. Now for our transition shade, I'm gonna be taking Summer Jam. So I'm just applying that on the crease. Okay, so now I'm gonna be taking this shade and I'm gonna be applying it on the outer corner, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of this darker shade. So I'm gonna apply that on the outer corner, and now we're gonna blend. Now I'm gonna take the darker shade and I'm also gonna apply it on the outer corner, and now we just blend with the same blending brush. Okay, now for the lid, I'm gonna be taking this shade. It's one of my favorites. As you can see, I don't have a lot left, but this is the one that we're gonna use. Okay, so there's the shimmery shade. I love that shade. Now, with a tiny brush like this one, we're gonna be applying the same colors that we put on the crease. We're gonna be putting those on the bottom lash line. Now I'm gonna use my black liner and put that on the waterline. Okay, so now we're gonna go with liquid liner and do the wing and lashes. These are the lashes that I'm gonna be using today. It's the first time that I use them. These are the Kiss lashes in the number 05. So yeah, we're gonna be using these ones. So I'm gonna go put them on and I'll be right back. Okay, so lashes are on, the wing liner is done. These lashes are pretty, but they are not as dramatic as I was hoping them to be. So, but it's fine. They're really pretty and super full. I like them. Now for mascara, I'm gonna be using this one from Maybelline to blend my natural lashes with the fake ones, and also for my bottom lashes. Okay, now for highlighter, I'm gonna be using the Anastasia Glow Kit. This is the Sugar Glow Kit, and we're gonna be using this shade. It's called Marshmallow, and I'm gonna apply it on the inner corner. And then for regular highlight, I'm gonna be taking this one called Butterscotch. Now for lips, I'm gonna be taking this matte liquid lipstick from Rimmel London in this pretty nude shade. Okay, so here is the lipstick. I really love this color. Okay, now to set everything in place, I'm gonna be taking this Hard Candy setting spray. Okay, you guys, so here is our makeup all done. I am in love with this makeup look. It's super easy to do, so let me know if you try it. And I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you on my next video. Bye, guys!